Hello everyone, my name is Amanda McGuire and this is my week 1 discussion board talking about a problem analysis for MPA 570. For my problem analysis, the focus is going to be on the County of Riverside. From 2009 to 2019, there have been more than 150 million square feet of industrial space, in other words, warehouses that have been built in the Inland Empire, which is a growth of 54% for the last 10 years. Of these, 47% were built in Riverside County, California. The warehouse space that was built reduced the county's green space by 30%. It reduced homes by 12% as some warehouse space replaced older residential areas. And it also increased the traffic of large trucks in the area by 62%. If you see the bottom right-hand corner, that is a photo of Riverside County in the 1950s compared to the one to the left and those above it, which is Riverside County in 2019. In order to combat the increase in warehouse space that's being built in Riverside County, the county adopted the Good Neighbor policy in 2019, which basically was supposed to create a buffer between residential neighborhoods and warehouses. The original policy required 1,000 feet of buffer space between warehouses and residential neighborhoods, measured from the warehouse's loading dock to the property line of the nearest home. The approved policy, however, changed this from 1,000 feet of buffer to 300 feet of buffer between the warehouse and a residential neighborhood. That included as well in this policy is that individual district supervisors were allowed to opt out of the policy. And the reason that they opted out of the policy was based on the need to create more jobs in the area. And with the rise in warehouses, the warehouses offered more job opportunities for a larger group of people. So district supervisors were given that option should they choose to opt out to increase the number of warehouses and in turn increase the number of jobs. Here are some references I used. I used the Riverside County website and the actual Good Neighbor policy that was adopted, as well as a couple of news sites that talked about the expansion of warehouses across the Inland Empire and most specifically in Riverside County. So that's all I have for today. Thank you. I hope you all have a good week.